I'm not touching that. I might screw it up. Holy shit. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Why the hell are you shit on TikTok going like FYP all of a sudden? The comments are just as weird. Dang it, I'm not liking that. Father, what does WAP mean? Why can't I have some? Georgie! Oh, it's George. George! And quiet, sorry, father. Bazinga. This is so me. This is still not disturbing the fact that I have school in like January 3rd. Just be sure there's motors going out. I'm blasting this on full volume. Guys, only a minute left. I hope I don't screw this up. A minute left. A minute left. A minute left. A minute left. Free bird. America! Pronouns are USA. America! How do I turn this? 20 minutes. Oh, 20 seconds, I mean. Holy shit. It's getting intense. It's getting intense. Here it is. Free! Holy shit. Happy 2024. Holy shit. I'm gonna go kill myself.